Hello ladies and gentlemen, Roro 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Over here in the punishing South Florida sun. It's like 10 a.m. now and it's like 2,000 degrees, man. It's horrible over here. That being said, today we're gonna go to the other side of the world where it isn't so hot. We're gonna go to Latvia. And my friend Victor, he's a long-time subscriber. He did me the solid of filming this video on his vacation over there. Great guy, long-time subscriber. I wish I could shake his hand in person. He filmed a video for me of a railroad crossing with Russian equipment and a Soviet train from the 1960s. So you guys are gonna see how this one compares to the crossings and the trains in the United States. Okay, that being said, I'm gonna include a link to Victor's Instagram page in the description. Also remember guys, my shirts, $13 plus shipping. Shipping usually comes out to like $9. So about $22. Everything together, you'll be supporting a good cause. What else did I want to say? Oh yeah, next week I start off my series on the CSX Homestead subdivision. I went to film yesterday. Man, you guys are gonna be in for a treat. I saw some crazy things over there. Alright guys, remember, enjoy the video, leave me a comment. Thumbs up helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Always a pleasure. Do svidaniya.
Buddy, my name is Victor Smirnov. Thank you for tuning into Railroad 82 today. This is certainly different from what you see in the United States. See, these lights are separate from the gate itself. And you know what this means? That this gate is new and that these lights were here a long time before. Well, not a long time, but these lights were most definitely here before the gate. And as you can see, we're at the 8th milepost right now. Oh, I think the gates are going down. Why are they making that noise? In the United States, they don't make that noise. To be honest, it's kind of annoying. LED lights, most certainly. Where's the train coming from? Oh, there's a pedestrian crossing when he's not supposed to. Stop making that noise, it's so annoying. Looks like it's some kind of an e-bell. So, you know something interesting I noticed about this crossing is that you can't really notice any manufacturer notes. You can't really see who manufactured this. It's kind of weird. Oh, this is the only thing you can see. I don't know whether you see that or not, but it says the manufacturer on it. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when a train is finally gonna come. Here's the train. Alright, now let's head over to the other side. Let's take a look at those railroad crossings. Alright, so as you can see on the other side, it's the same exact type of setup. It's a gate. Oh, you can actually see a manufacturer's note. It was made by Bombardier. A lot of trains in the United States are made by Bombardier. Let's see, can we get any manufacturer notes from here? Not really. As you can see, it's the same exact crossing here. This is made by Bombardier. Let's see, can we find a date for this crossing? Not really. All right. I hope that all of you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave Railroll 82 a like.